What's up, guys? Welcome back to Columbia Auto Service. I appreciate you coming along this morning and watching another video at Columbia Auto Service. I'd appreciate it though if you'd go in there and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of anything you're interested in on this video. Today we've got a 1990 Toyota pickup truck with a 2.4 in it with 164,000 miles on it. I'm sorry. And normally I don't take in old vehicles like this. We just don't, but it was a brake job. The guy was needing some brakes done on it and possibly a pinion seal leaking. So I said, yeah, we'll do it. But anyway, it's a 4-wheel drive, and he came in and said he had a brake noise. The guy, Tristan, was working on it yesterday, and he got almost through with it, and he called me last night and reminded me that he had an appointment this morning to go to, a doctor's appointment to go to, because his wife's pregnant. They're right near the end of the pregnancy, and every week or so they've got to go get a checkup and stuff because she has had a few complications. So he's going to be out this morning. So I'm going to try to finish up his job. He had a caliper locked up on one side and the brake rotor completely ate up. So we had to change a brake rotor and a caliper on the driver's side. And yesterday while he was putting the pads on the passenger side, he noticed that the caliper was locked up on the passenger side also. I think that's where he was at this morning, but I'm going to try to pick up where he left off to get this done so I can get it off the rack and we can get something else moved on there. But let's take a look around and see what's going on. Anyway, he came in and this backside pad right here was completely eat up. It was just metal on metal and it ate the back of this rotor completely up right here. So we had to put a new rotor on it. We had to put a new caliper on it. But on this Toyota, to get that rotor off, we had to pull all this lock and hub assembly apart and repack the bearings and put the rotor back on. Got a new set of pads on it. He's still got the old caliper laying here. I got to get it off. So I think we're through on this side, but I will call him before I put the tire back on and make sure where he was at on this side, but I believe he was through. We may have to bleed this caliper. This caliper may have to be bled. And he's got a power steering leak right here somewhere, but he wasn't worried about that, but I will let him know about it. And then we got around here to this side, and this back caliper, this back piston right here won't push in all the way to get our new pad in there. So it's locked up. So that's what we're gonna work on this morning. I'm gonna try to change this caliper out. It's got a hard line. It should be just nuts and bolts. So we got a bolt right there, and a brake line. And just take it off and put the other one back on. Should be easy peasy. Let me get some tools out here and we'll get started. No. Bigger? It's smaller than 10 and bigger than 3/8. Yeah, exactly. Maybe a vice grip size. Yeah, 10 is slipping. No, 9 won't do it either. How you doing?
Who signed a roll call? We know we do. No problem, thank you. I'm sorry? Yeah, we said it over everything.
Usually it sounds like just one little single on the beach.
They need some cotter pins, what I need.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, I don't know if I trust that or not. I might want to put some cotter pins in there. Maybe I'll bend the ends of them up on this side. That's what I'll do.
Yeah.
That should hold them in there.